Guys, have you ever noticed how some marketing campaigns look completely inconsistent? The Facebook ad looks one way, the flyer looks different, and the poster feels like it belongs to another brand entirely. This is actually one of the biggest mistakes beginners make when launching a campaign. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're going to fix that, using a simple principle marketers love. One offer, 3 assets, 1 style. The idea is that your ad, flyer, and poster all share the same visual language, so people instantly recognize your brand, no matter where they see it. And the best part is that we'll build this entire launch pack using Venngage AI, which gives you access to over 100 AI-powered design tools for marketers and creators. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Alright folks, let's jump into the platform and start building our campaign. So mates, the first thing we are going to create is the Facebook ad, because this will become the main visual anchor of our campaign. We open the AI Facebook ad generator, click Generate with AI, and enter a prompt asking the system to create 3 variations of the ad. Specifically, we want one version focused on a hook, one focused on the benefit, and another one focused on proof. After generating the results, we click Customize, and right away, we get the first version of our ad. As you can see, this one directly targets the customer's pain point, which means the specific problem your audience is experiencing. In marketing, addressing pain points is powerful, because it immediately shows the viewer that you understand their problem. But here's the thing, guys. A single ad version is never enough. In marketing, we normally run A/B testing, which means launching several variations of an ad to see which one performs best. Instead of spending hours writing different copies, Venngage lets us generate these variations in seconds. Now we open the AI designer and ask it to generate another version of the Facebook ad that focuses on the benefit. Immediately the system produces a new headline and visual concept. Instead of focusing on the problem, this version highlights the positive result the user will get. Next, folks, let's create a third variation, this time focused on proof. Within seconds, we get another layout that adds credibility to the offer. And now we can clearly see all 3 ad concepts side by side. Take a look at the first variation. It uses a question-style hook. This kind of emotional trigger is designed to stop users while they are scrolling through their feed. The second version focuses on the benefit and uses a stronger, more direct headline. For example, something like "Stop wasting your ad spend." Friends, this kind of message works especially well with business audiences because it promises efficiency. And then we have the third version, which focuses on proof. Here, the design adds authority by mentioning results like "trusted by over 500 businesses," and the AI even adds a quote-style element, along with a metric like 35% ROI growth. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, the interesting thing here is that even though the messaging changes, the design stays consistent. The same color palette, typography, and layout style remain across all versions. This is exactly what we want for a campaign, because visual consistency builds brand recognition. From these 3 options, we simply choose the strongest one as our hero ad, the main visual of the campaign. I am going to select this version right here, and now we'll move on to the second asset. Next up, folks, is the AI flyer generator. Flyers are usually distributed physically or shared in digital form, so they need to contain a little more information than a social media ad. But we still want the flyer to look like it belongs to the same campaign. Here's a professional trick. Instead of starting from scratch, we upload our Facebook ad as a reference. This allows the AI to instantly recognize our color palette and typography style, so the flyer automatically matches the ad. Now we enter a prompt asking the system to create a modern flyer layout with strong contrast. We also ask for clear benefit sections and a QR code area, which allows people to quickly access the offer online. Within a few seconds, folks, the flyer layout appears, and the first thing we check is whether the fonts and colors match the ad. As you can see, everything looks consistent, which helps reinforce brand recognition. Now let's improve the flyer a bit. Instead of using plain bullet points, we can click Generate Icons and replace the bullets with simple icons that visually represent the benefits. And I want to add that small changes like this make the text much easier to scan quickly. Next, I'll slightly adjust the icons so they stand out more. For example, in the Key Audit Benefits section, we can make the icons brighter so they pop against the background. And as you can see, mates, once we lighten them a bit, they look great on the green background and make the section easier to read. Next, before finalizing the flyer, we quickly check the text size and readability. Remember, flyers are often printed, so we want to make sure the text is large enough to read comfortably. Once everything looks balanced, the flyer is ready to go. Now, friends, let's move on to the final piece of our campaign, the poster. Unlike the flyer, posters usually need to communicate the message in just a few seconds. People might see them while walking past, so the design has to rely on a strong headline and a powerful visual. We open the AI poster generator, and just like before, we upload our hero ad as a reference image. Guys, this ensures the AI keeps the same color palette and visual identity. Next, we enter a prompt explaining that we want a design focused on a large headline, a short supporting message, and a visible QR code block for quick action. The system generates the poster layout almost instantly. As you can see, the colors perfectly match the rest of the campaign. The turquoise green and dark blue combination stays consistent, but we can still refine the layout a little. So we open the AI designer and ask it to improve the visual hierarchy. Specifically, folks, we want the headline to stand out more and the overall layout to feel clearer. I also ask the AI to add more white space, which is the empty space around design elements. This is actually a very important design principle, because it makes visuals feel cleaner and more professional. And as you can see, folks, after applying these adjustments, the poster instantly looks more polished. The headline becomes more dominant, the supporting text becomes easier to read, and the entire layout feels lighter and more balanced. Now, friends, let's step back and look at the final result. We've created 3 different assets: a Facebook ad, a flyer, and a poster. And they all look like part of the same campaign. The colors match, the typography stays consistent, and the core message remains aligned across every format. This is exactly what marketers mean when they talk about brand consistency. When every asset shares the same visual language, your campaign feels professional and recognizable across platforms. So guys, what we just built is essentially a complete campaign launch pack. Instead of designing everything in different tools and trying to keep the styles consistent manually, we created all assets in one place using Venngage AI. With more than 100 AI-powered design tools, marketers can quickly generate ads, flyers, posters, infographics, and many other visuals without spending hours on design. The platform handles the heavy lifting while still allowing you to customize the final result. Don't forget to use the code DAN50 to get 50% off the premium or business plan. If you're excited to try it out or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.